Hello, this is Brian Reich from Reich Web Consulting, back with another WordPress video tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about WordPress content types, or custom post types. Basically, in WordPress, you have several basic types of content that you can create. If you look over here on the dashboard menu, we've got posts and we have pages. Now, these are the two basic types of content that WordPress ships with. Let me see if I can explain the difference between these. WordPress is, at its core, a blogging platform. Now it's good for building any type of web page these days, but its roots were in blogging. Posts are basically what you can think of as blog post or news post. Anything that you are posting frequently and you won't be updating into the future all that much. Your post will display on a archive page on your website that displays your most recent blog posts. They are organized by categories and by tags. And these are the things, like I said, you'll be creating more of them over time if your website provides that kind of functionality. Now, if you have a business website and your business doesn't plan to blog at all, heck, you may never use posts. But if you plan to blog, if you plan to post news updates, things like that, you're probably going to use posts for that. Now, pages, on the other hand, I like to think of pages as like the top level content of your website. You'll use pages to create things like your homepage, your about page, your contact page, stuff like that that appears on your site's primary navigation. Now, you'll notice under pages, well, we don't have options down here for categories and tags like we did with posts, and we'll talk about why later. It's just a difference between how posts and pages are organized. As you dig further into WordPress, you may install plugins that provide different content options. You might have custom post types for things like, portfolio entries for a graphic designer or an artist. I have clients that are real estate and rental agencies, and they have a custom post type on their website for apartment rentals or for sale properties, things like that. Really, the options are pretty much endless. There's lots of plugins out there that can probably provide the custom post types that you need to fit your workflow. But out of the box, WordPress gives us posts and it gives us pages. In the next couple of videos, we're going to dig further into those in depth, so stick around.